Today we will tour 3101 West Via de Pedro Miguel in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this wonderful home in a great North Phoenix location. This home features 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a bonus room. Here we have a powder room downstairs, perfect for guests. This home has it all. The kitchen is large and boasts a huge walk-in pantry, breakfast bar, dining area, and arcadia doors to the outside living area. The great room is immense, but warm and comfortable, anchored by a fireplace and the beautiful kitchen. Other features of this fantastic home include a split floor plan and a master on the first level. The master overlooks the yard and comes with a spacious bath, jewel vanities, and a large closet. The upstairs features 4 guest rooms, 2 full bathrooms, a laundry room, and a bonus room. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The bedrooms are all nice and spacious and come with ample closet space to fit all your belongings. And the laundry upstairs is fitted with a washer and dryer for your convenience. This home continues to delight with a covered patio, a low-maintenance landscaped backyard, and a bonus room, perfect for a theater, fitness, playroom, or whatever you would like. You've also got a 3-car tandem garage. And finally, here we have a full bath upstairs. Thanks for watching the tour and have a great day.